Yo, what's up? We are in Uluwatu on the middle of the road.
Yeah, so we are in Uluwatu actually. So we will have a lunch first. It's just soft opening or a new restaurant.
Yeah,
in
new
Let's
small
see
restaurant, no parking space. However, we managed to stay and check this out, the new place, and later what we're gonna do today.
So this is a little cute restaurant in Uluwatu. It's called Tarabel. This is not paid endorsement. So they have a very nice menu and everything like 50k with a big brekkie and ooh, let's see how yummy it is. Oh la la, this is how big brekkie actually, and it costs around 50k. Ooh, I have a very big brekkie.
Alright, as you can see, this breakfast is very big. Eggs, hash brown, bread, spinach, I don't know, mushroom, bacon, sausage, tomato, avocado, and all of this only $4 for American dollar. I think it's very good value, right?
Alright, so this is our room. Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is our room actually. Oh la la. Nice. Nice. And look at the bathroom. Big bathtub. Very nice.
Alright, so we just arrived to the Le Grande, which is the five-star hotel in the new Kuta Golf Complex in Peciatu, Uluwatu, and yeah, it's a bit a spooky hotel actually for 5-star. Honestly, I have to say that. I also asked them they already at the beginning in the 5-star hotel they messed up with my reservation. My reservation was gone, but I make it 1 week ago, and I asked them for the best view from the room, and this is my view. Actually, literally the corner of the wall of the alley, and the hotel is quite spooky, but it's 5-star, and we paid only 400k net, including the breakfast for 2. Right, so it's loads of fun today in this hotel. Now we are trying to get the proper room.
I spoke to the guy actually, and then I asked him, so what's the market of this hotel, because I saw that so many Chinese words, and then he said that this hotel actually with the Chinese market. So most of the Chinese Chinese tourists who
here.
come to Bali, they mostly staying here.
Yeah.
And can you imagine that it almost 1 year when the coming
Yeah, it's already 1 year when it's actually
year. So that's why it's like, you know, the room is empty and we found it something moldy and the smell,
and then we go to the different room, and that was the smoke, cigarettes, so we're waiting for another room. Oh, it's okay, it's 5-star hotel, so they have to keep the hospitality well.
Alright, so we are going to get the new room. So I hope that this is a better room. We'll see.
Alright, finally we got better room.
Much better room.
No, much better, much more cleaner, and much more better smell, and even the view is little bit much better. So I'm much more happy. Yes, you are now happy, honey?
Yeah, much better. With the price of 400k per night.
It's actually $28, which is 5-star hotel. You cannot expect much. However, I always wanted to stay in the new Kuta Golf because that place is quite
you know, this place is just like, you know, kind of, it's not that luxurious resort, but it's still 5-star.
Yeah,
So
actually,
maybe you found out in our videos that we were in Dreamland Beach.
Yes.
So this hotel is actually, whenever you go to Dreamland Beach, you are in the area of Dreamland, New Kuta Golf
yes,
area.
exactly. All right, so that's it. Will be from about the hotel for today. After
3
that,
times we tried to get into the room, and finally we found kind of the best one.
but the guy who was showing us around and everything, he's very nice. So like always, very nice hospitality.
Thank
Big thumb
you.
up to him, and thank you so much. Okay, and that
And
will
look
be.
at this one from the bed. We can see that's the bathtub, shower, and bathroom. It's nice.
Yeah. All right, that's
And
it.
the room is smell nice. Before the room smells so bad.
Yeah,
2 times smell bad, but
This one is that. Okay, that's it about the hotel. After that, we're gonna show you the brand new place in Uluwatu. I hope so. It's be beautiful. However, I hope so. It's not gonna be rainy because it's cloudy. But we will try anyway.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
So now we just arrived in the Beyond the Cliff, the most high place in Bali right now. As you see, later on we will see why it's become so high. Follow me.
Right, so we are inside. As you can see, this is wedding chapel, and I'm here actually 5 minutes making stuff, and I'm still trying out to figure out actually what sort of place is this, because many people actually in the comment section below comment to come to visit this place. I know it's a super spectacular views, but I still don't know what's going on. Be careful, honey. This is the edge of the cliff,
let's see. So far. Alright, so this is, like I told you before, this is the most hype place in Uluwatu right now. As down there, if you have ever watched Yellow Claw, DJ Yellow Claw, so that's exactly the place where they are taking movie in Bali, you know, like when they make a video shooting in Bali, this is how it is. We will show you later, maybe if it is not related with the copyright, we can show you just a little bit clip on a Yellow Cloud where he takes the video shooting. Look at this one.
Down, but there's so many stairs. Oh my god, they should make a lift.
Honey, the guy bringing the stuff.
And the guy bringing the stuff down there.
All right, so this is the stage actually where the yellow claw video shooting for his for their for the new video clip. So this is how it is. Look, so many people are taking pictures.
Alright, so just quickly, because of music, we got the seat, we got the drink. It's very busy, mostly with the local
It's
people.
long waiting list to be seated.
Yes, is it worth the hype? I'm not sure. It's definitely worth to come to have a actually everybody coming here just to have a picture. So if you're thinking about picture, definitely. If you're thinking about having a good quality time, I will suggest you maybe go to next door or maybe that way. You know what I mean? We make videos in both places. However, this one is worth a try, definitely, for the Instagram shots. Jesus, they don't have a lift, you know?
Oh my god.
I hope so they're gonna build next time when I'm here. It's so tiring to go up, down also. Alright, so that's how it looks, the brand new place called Beyond the Cliff, yeah. As you saw, a lot of Instagrammers. I think we're gonna go have a dinner somewhere right now. Yes, honey?
Yeah. Big pizza for dinner. Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys. It's already late night and then we just came back to the hotel. And yeah, this is how it is, the new place in Uluwatu where the DJ Yellow Claws making the video shoot last time in their videos. So yeah, this is how it is.
And tomorrow we're moving to different part of Bali, different area. So stay tuned. Like always, 4 p.m. Bali time, and
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Whoa! What is this? Check this out. This is the really old hair dryer. I hope so. It's working. Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck?